Hello everyone, this tutorial based on how to customize formwork to side of suspended beam. Let me show you an example. This is the formwork to the side. This is the first and the second side of the formwork. So we want to customize for the formwork to the side of the suspended beam. Let's get started. So firstly, let us go to the templates we are working on before. This is all what we've done. The template we've done. This is the template. Templates. So now let's proceed by adding this formwork to side of suspended beam. We are going to make use of linear tools, linear takeoff tools. So formwork to side of suspended beam. Yeah, suspended beam. Click on advanced. So there are some properties that you have to add, that you want to add before you customize it. One of it is depth. Let me show you what I mean by depth. Depth of the formwork. Before we can achieve the total length of the depth of the formwork on the one side, the suspended beam itself have its own actual thickness, or have its own depth that has been specified by the structural engineer. Assume that the depth is 300 mm. So you are going to add projection. The projection you are going to add, the 300 start from here to this point. So the projection you are going to add is the lap, is the formwork that is going to lap to the side of the Soffits formwork to the beam. This is the Soffits formwork. So the projection, that will be 25 mm plus the depth. So now just click on this column, take off column, click on add properties. Okay, you have depth already. Sorry, you have depth already. Just activate it, check it. So it's in meter already. So let us add projection, add property, add projection. Click OK, move it up. So in meter, yeah, so in meter, that one is 25 mm, 25 mm. So after that, after the depth and the projection, so I'm going to want for us to customize it now, to customize the calculation now. So I'm going to add, that will be sum of depth. We add these two together. Add sum of depth, sum of depth. So sum of depth. So move it up. Move it up. The sum of depth being meter. Then after that, you have to customize our calculation. To customize it now, okay, sorry, it remains side. Good. You have two sides for the formwork, because what you are customizing now is formwork to sides of suspended beam. You have two sides. You have to add it. Add numbers of sides. Numbers of side. So move it up. Move it up. That will be number, yeah. Check it. Number. So after that, I have to customize our takeoff. Our takeoff. I have to customize it for our calculation. So that will be linear. That will be linear total multiplied by the sum of the depth. Multiply by the sum of the depth. Close the brackets. Close it with brackets. Multiply it the number of sides. Numbers of sides. Yeah. So for numbers, for sum of depth, that will be depth plus projection. Then sides, numbers of sides, that will be two numbers of sides. So this one be in meter square or square meter, same thing, square meter. And check this, excluding the color. Let's go to layout. Good. You have depth to let us fix the units. So what we need now, we need depth, numbers of side. Just bring it to the same row, numbers of side. Similar numbers of side. Needed projection. Projection is constant. You can also check it in case if the formwork of the Soffit is thicker than 25 mm. Just bring it down. Okay. Projection. Okay. Let's check the form. So depth, numbers of size, projection. Click OK. Just move it up. Just move it under formwork. Because you are still working on formwork. Just click on this arrow. Click again. So that will be embedded. Click again. That will be embedded inside formwork. Go to home. Come down to your templates. Along here. Click on formwork. Just come down to okay. I haven't scaled it. Okay. Instead of wasting our time, let me use this one. Scale of this. I'm coming. We have 19.26. 19.26. 19.26. 19.26. About 19.26. So the width, 10.92. Wait. Yeah, 10.9 to 10.9 to 10.9 to, yeah, 10.9 to, done. No, let's move it backward. So now, for us to take off for formwork, for formwork to side of suspended beam, just click on this green button. Before you start it, just close it. Touch check it. We have floor beam that is 225 by 450. Good. That shows that the depth is 450 and the width is 225. So now just click on it. The depth is 450 mm. You have two sides, yes. The projection 25 mm. Click OK. Check the record mode. Must be on point to point. Pick it. Do you know that on because there's some situation whereby some column you project beyond the beam level. There's a situation whereby the column will be under will be at the soffit here, at the soffit of the beam. So the best way is to pick it from the column point. You understand? To pick it from the column point, and let me stretch it. For it to continue, click on it and press N. Continue. Yeah. 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 Let me work on the internal. The internal. Take it. Stop here. Stop here. Press N. Letter N for next. Or next. I'm trying to trace the beam to terminate here. Is to stop here. Yeah. Then press N again. Is another beam. To start from here. To stop here. Start from here. Is another beam. Stop here. Stop here. So this is just check the for it to show. I mean, if you want to show the legend, just right click and click on the legend. Stretch it. Formwork to side or suspended beam. Can you see? Get 129.1 square meter. To take off for the soffits of the suspended beam, come down to this, click on this green button. You haven't checked it. The width is 225. Okay, good. The width is 225. No. Formwork to soffits of suspended beam. Width 225. Click OK. You start from here, from the side of the column, stop here, escape, press N again, stop, escape, N, escape, N. So that is how you're going to take off for the soffits of suspended beam. Press N again. All through, that is how I'm going to take off for the soffits of suspended beam. Yeah. Press N. Yeah. So just check the area. With one we've done. So you have 6.5 square meter. So this is how to customize for formwork to side of suspended beam and soffit of suspended beam. So this is the beam soffit. So the next tutorial is based on block work and foundation. Thanks for watching.